Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to your Google Calendar. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Calendly website. So let's head on to calendly.com, and over here what you have to do is sign into your account. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google. Now let's continue and allow this as well. Okay, so we are on our Calendly. So over here what you have to do is, on the left hand side you can see the option for integration and apps. Click over here, and once you are on this screen, all you have to do is scroll down until you see Google Calendar. So as you can see, this is our Google Calendar. Click over here. Once you click that, here you can see this calendar sync option. So our calendar account is already been added. So if your calendar account is not added, what you will see over here is something like this, which is Google Calendar, and here you can see the connect button. What you have to do is just click on connect and sign in with your Google account once again. Now click continue and allow again. So yeah, as you can see, your Google Calendar has been successfully connected. So let's check this. Here you can see, make sure this is all right. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to connect your Google Calendar with Calendly. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.